Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in once more. We are here to get the bag. So let's get right straight into the video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money just by uploading pictures. You've been doing it on Instagram, you've been doing it on other apps too, like Facebook and whatever, your social medias, you know what I'm talking about. And today I'll be showing you how to make it while upload pictures while making money. Wow. So yeah, the first website is Foap, which is FOAP. So here it says, as you guys can see, it says time to make extra money with your videos and photos. And as you go down on the website, it simply upload your videos and pictures and earn extra cash when a brand, so how this works is that when a brand or an agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video from you on your online portfolio, then you guys share the profit 50-50, and you guys will see how much you can literally make from one picture. And it says take part in creative video and photo mission for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or a picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or more multiple videos. Okay, so when you are on the app, you can actually start participating in missions. So from time to time they will say, okay, we're on a mission to get a picture that's like this, of the certain standard, that's like maybe a picture of a sunset, a picture of a sunset, a beautiful sunset, a picture of a beautiful lion, a picture of an angry man, stuff like that. So yeah, if you are into photography, or even if you're not, let me just show you the website and how people are actually making money on this website. And it's with really simple things. I'm gonna just go there, solutions, and then say market, just by saying like a picture of a person in a car, for example. That's my favorite example. When you go there, it literally takes you to pictures that are very simple. You might want to upload your simple pictures. If you already have them in your phone, might as well just upload them, But I would advise taking high quality, nice pictures. Like, for example, look at this lady here. And what I wanted to show you guys is that this is literally $10. $10 is how much? 10 times 15, 150 rands. Guys, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. So yeah, that's how you do it. And yeah, you can easily get yourself like $10 if someone is interested in a picture like this for whatever reasons. Maybe they want to use it as their picture on their website or on their blog, or a picture on their videos like on YouTube, or pictures just anyway. So you might be lucky that people are actually just looking for like a simplistic picture, nothing professional. So you might as well just start by uploading pictures that you already have in your phone. And yeah, so the next website, actually I forgot to say that you can get the app of this website. Like, you can get the app so that things are easier to import from your phone, onto the app. And the second app is Shutterstock. This is quite a famous one. So how you guys will go about it is that you can upload your pictures here in the same way that you do it on Foap and earn money while at it. As you guys saw from that picture there, if we probably look at other pictures that are of a high quality, they're probably going to be more than $10, right? It's going to be a lot more. So if you want to do this, go for it, upload your picture, set your price, and yeah, ready to go. So yeah, you guys can do that. Also, there's an app for Shutterstock, so you can just download the app, make things easier for you. And yeah, that's how you make money, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, And yeah, share to anyone that you think might find my videos very useful, somebody who will be able to use the information that I give out on my videos, just anyone, Thank you guys. Bye. See you in the next video. Step 1.